Hey guys, today we are going to be making a really light, decadent, low-carb lemon cheesecake. Welcome back to the second episode. So today, on this very snowy day, we are going to be making a rockstar lemon no-bake cheesecake. We need a little slice of heaven, little slice of summer for our mouths. It's snowing outside, and what better way to welcome in, hopefully spring soon, with a light, decadent, no-guilt cheesecake. First, let's dish on the ingredients. For the crust, you will need 1 1/4 cup almond flour, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 1/2 teaspoons of swerve. Now for the filling, you will need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/2 cups of heavy whipping cream, a 3-ounce packet of sugar-free lemon jello, and 1 teaspoon lemon zest. All right, so here are the instructions to make a little piece of summer on a snowy day. All right, so first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next, you are going to spray a 8-inch spring foam pan, but today I decided to be a little extra bougie about it, so we are using a tart pan. For the crust, you are going to mix the almond flour, the butter, and the swerve until the mixture is crumbling. Next, you're going to press it in the bottom of the baking dish and bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. While the crust is cooling, you are going to make the cheesecake mixture. Using an electric mixer, mix the cream cheese until it's smooth and creamy. Next, you're going to stir in the vanilla extract, add in the heavy cream, and mix it on high until mixture thickens and soft peaks form. Reduce speed to low and mix in the jello packet and lemon zest until blended. Spread mixture evenly with a spatula over the cooled crust. Now, you're going to cover and chill until it's set, which is about 2 to 3 hours or even overnight. Now that things are all cooled down, ready to come out of the fridge, I'm just gonna get a little extra bougie with it again. Why not, right? So I'm going to sprinkle some lemon zest over top and insert some mint just for a little extra flair. All right, so I hope that you enjoy this recipe as much as we do in our house. If you love it, like it, you wanna have some more of it, make sure that you like this video, share this video, and definitely to find out more, to find more recipes from me, subscribe to the channels below.